everyone, welcome to Punggol Oceanus. Today we have a very exclusive 5-room corner unit to show you. Do stay with Forex 65 as we unravel this unit just for you.
Built in 2003, this tastefully renovated unit still has 79 years left on its lease, making it still a young flat. This home is very well maintained and only requires minimal touch-ups, making it move-in ready. Located along Edgefield Plains, this unit is only 3 minutes walk to Meridian or Cove LRT station. You can find the necessary shops, supermarket, coffee shops here so conveniently. Travel 1 or 2 LRT stations and you'll reach to Punggol MRT, where you can shop at Waterway Point with Uniqlo, Love Bonito, Din Tai Fung, Putian, Dong Dong Donkey, Daiso, Decathlon, just to name a few. This property is perfect for families with children, as you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 8 primary schools within 1 km radius, including the reputable Mito School Top 9, and within 2 km radius, there's a whopping of 14 primary schools here.
Once again, I'm Eunice, and let's head up to the unit.
This is an actual exclusive corner unit, and at 1,184 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 1 bathroom, living and dining area, your personal patio, and an enclosed kitchen. Before you even enter this home, you kind of get your own private exclusive space, which is similar to an additional foyer or a patio of your own. As we step into the heart of this home, you immediately notice the sense of spaciousness. The full height windows flood the room with natural lighting, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. There's plenty of space here for a 3-seater sofa and more. The dining room can comfortably accommodate a proper dining table, chairs for up to 8 people. A generous space that's ideal for creating cherished moments and memories with your loved ones. Let's continue the tour and you'll be greeted by this stunning kitchen. It has been meticulously renovated, and take a look at these countertops. They not only add to the aesthetics but also provide ample workspace. The marble design is an elegant touch, and you'll notice that it's super well maintained. Both the first and second bedroom can easily fit a queen-size bed, a bulky wardrobe, dresser table, and cabinet. All you need in a bedroom can be fitted perfectly well. The bathroom boasts as a modern, wide, and bright design which you can save renovation costs here. It is still so well maintained and clean. Let's unravel more amenities here in Punggol. Backtrack 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Sengkang MRT. Campus 1 Mall, Sengkang Community Club, and 24 hours Kopitiam Square. Perfect for those who love to shop and dine out. With just 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Buangkok MRT, where you can explore the highly anticipated Sengkang Grand Mall with childcare enrichment center, hawker center, community club, bus interchange, and a huge supermarket at the basement. What's more, Punggol Coney Island is just nearby, perfect for your leisure brisk walk session with your family. Finally, introducing the master bedroom. It is really huge and functional, featuring an exclusive walk-in wardrobe, as well as the owner converted the bathroom in his own personal study and entertainment corner. Do not worry, the bathroom is still intact and it is easily convertible back. If you plan to renovate, you can redesign the whole orientation, maximizing the space to accommodate your personal preferences.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and if you'd like to see this actual corner exclusive 5-room flat, feel free to contact me. And once again, please like, share and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box. By the way, I'm Eunice, I'm from Forex 65, and we uplift your home property value. We sell higher. Contact us and call us to explore your choices today.